Though we call ourselves the data science team here within Locus, we're much more than that, right? We're essentially the innovation team here. We work on NP hard optimization problems, deep learning models, and of late, agentic AI, a super exciting area. Right? We're always at the cutting edge of tech, and that's what work is so exciting for all of us. The real impact of what we do, that's a terrific question. Let's take last mile optimization, for instance. These algorithms help us plan and schedule the customer deliveries which include medicines, time-sensitive equipment, work-related stuff, right? Everything that's important to their lives. Now, imagine if these deliveries are delayed, plans get derailed, customers are frustrated, and the brand does take a hit, right? Because the promise is not maintained. So better algorithms, like what we do here, helps customers get their packages as promised, and companies run much more efficiently. But more than the companies and the customers, I'd like to talk about the delivery personnel, right? The ones who are actually out there on the streets, toiling hard to deliver our packages on time. Here, when we work on a good algorithm, when we make an improvement in algorithm in such a way that I can finish my job slightly early that day, just 30 minutes, right? There's 30 minutes back to their lives. And this is real impact, making the lives of our delivery partners slightly better. And this is something really which motivates us to keep pushing ourselves, right? To keep pushing the tech to do just that slightly better than before to help someone else have more time in their lives.